All right, lovely colleagues. So I have figured out, I think, how to set up my writing assessment so that it's not a Dropbox item, but students will still see that it's due that day, and it will be something that they open up and check off that they've done. So I created it in my other course, and I thought we could create it together. So you guys see I have my writing assessment tab, and I had a middle of the year, I had my prompt loaded in here, but I'm just going to delete that because we don't want to confuse them. We don't want them to have extra drop boxes. So let's not do that, okay? So what I've decided and what I've been playing with is creating a checklist. So if you click Create a Checklist, I'm just going to do Middle of the Year Writing Assessment and star 360. And then as the instructions, I'm going to type Open up your online learning course and complete the Middle of the Year Writing Assessment and star 360 tests. Okay, so there's that. I've created it. Now, I've never done a checklist, and it's actually really cool. I think I'm going to utilize this later on for assignments that have steps. So I'm going to add a start date so they don't see this until they wake up on Monday morning. And then I just like to have the due date as that day as well. Do what you want. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But then it shows up, oh crap, I need to complete it. And I'm giving them that day to complete the STAR and the writing assessment. So we have it as beginning, as you know, it's required automatic. As soon as they check off the tasks, the checklist will go away. Starts on Monday. So I'm going to add my list. And my list is just going to be middle of the year testing. And I can designate as many tasks as I want. So I'll put the middle of the year writing assessment first because in my opinion they should do that first. And then we can do the STAR. Make sure this has the correct due date. Sorry for being boring and you're watching me type, but I just really want to make sure we're setting this up. Hopefully this works and we set it up together all the same way. Then, you know, next year it's easier. Every year it's easier, and that's superb. And so for the STAR, in my last course, I just put the link right in. And I'm not really going to track their math completion, but as few words as possible. I don't want to overwhelm them. And there we go. That is my list. Okay. I went through and I viewed this as a student to make sure that I could indeed just check these off. Once you check both of these off, it shows as 100% and you're done. Okay. I'm going to make another video about the grading. I don't want this one to get too long. So that's how I would set up these writing assessments. That way, when you look at the home, it's going to show up as something that's due. So we know that they know that this is what they are given the day to do, but it's not a Dropbox and it's not something that they're going to submit in our course when they have to submit it into the online learning. Okay, bye guys.